Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagus Pramana. My student number 190500049. Today, I want presentation task out about task landing gear and main landing gear, left and right. Include nose landing gear. The first, clean the nose landing gear and components, inspect for damage, paint, finish, damage, plating, and check for corrosion. Second, if corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finish as practical. Third, apply BMS 323 compound to surface areas of the landing gear fittings, connecting pins, and attachment like as required, particularly in the following areas. A. Shock strut including equipment attached to the outer or inner cylinder, steering, cable, pulley, brackets, and insert of the holes. B. Upper and lower drag bracelets. C. Axle surface except bearing and journal areas. D. Upper and lower torsion links and towing legs. E. Nose gear actuator. F. Nose gear steering assembly. G. Trunnion and trunnion gearing caps. H. Lock brace assembly and engage. Note: in case where periodic cleaning is accomplished with steam or high water pressure and detergent, apply BMS 323 to the nose gear components. Caution: do not apply BMS 323 to silicone rubber seals of control cable. Observe other precautions shown in part 1. Okay. 4. After application of BMS 323, clean the affected grease fittings and re-lubricate the nose gear. Okay, next. Left main landing gear including the first, clean the main landing gear and component, inspect for damage, paint, finish, damage, plating, and check for corrosion. 2. If corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finish as practical. 3rd, apply BMS 323 compound to surface areas of the landing gear fittings, connecting pins, and attachment like as required, and particularly in the following areas. E. Shock strut and strut bar attachment. B. Axle surface bearing and journal areas. C. Upper and lower seat struts. D. Drag strut. E. Walking beam. F. Torsion links, main gear damper. G. Trunnion and trunnion link. H. Door hinges. E. Legs, lock face, link pins, actuator lock mechanisms. 4. After application of BMS 323, clean the affected grease fittings and re-lubricate the landing gear. Not in case where periodic cleaning is accomplished with steam or high water pressure and detergent, apply BMS 323 to the main landing gear. Caution: do not apply BMS 323 to silicone rubber seals or control cables. Observe other precautions shown in part 1, section 1600, page 3 and 4 of the corrosion prevention manual. Okay, next, right main landing gear including the first, clean the main landing gear and components, inspect for damage, paint, finish, damage, plating, and check for corrosion. Second, if corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finish as practical. Third, apply BMS 323 compound to surface areas of the landing gear fittings, connecting pins, and attachment like as required, and particularly in the following areas. A. Shock strut and strut door attachment. B. Axle surface bearing and journal areas. C. Upper and lower strut. D. Drag strut. Or E. Walking beam. F. Torsion links, main gear, damper. G. Trunnion and trunnion link. H. Torque enhance. E. Lug face, link peaks, actuator, lock mechanisms. 4. After application of BMS 323, clean the affected grease fittings and re-lubricate the landing gear. Okay, that's all I can see. If there are shortcomings, please forgive. Thank you.